Hello, David Bradley here in the box room. Thanks for dropping in. Speaking of boxes, we have another box to look at. It did come with Commodore 64 and a 1541. Now, I don't know what's in here, but we'll see. We start off with a box that says Frogger. And inside the box, we find a cartridge. Ooh, limited 180 day warranty. There it is. Frogger. 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 I bet you they sold a bunch of these. I, at this juncture, am not going to stick this in this machine yet. I'll set this aside because undoubtedly, oh my, the last game, or sorry, the last box I looked through, there was a book for Hubert, and there is the cartridge for Hubert. I don't see the other part of the box, but who knows? Anyway, let's see about those. We will see. Oh my. Here is a disc box. Oh, okay. It looked taller than it's supposed to be, I think. Well, it certainly is. Oh. Maybe it's so you can do it like this. No, that doesn't really fit. Very strange. It doesn't. Anyway. Whatever. There are discs. And on these discs, we'll find Barbie for the Commodore 64. Playful Professor. Jeopardy. Wheel of Fortune. Summer Games 2. Word Wizard. Test Drive. There's nothing written. Fender. Strip Poker. Miner. 2049er. Dig Dug. Monopoly. Death Star. Dungeon. Printmaster. Pocket Writer. Printmaster Plus. I can't read what that says. Mario's Brewery. Galaxian. Ooh, I liked Galaxian. And we're back to Barbie. I don't know what that could be. I just don't know. Anyway, maybe does this disc box fit this way? Not really. It's very strange. Maybe they wanted to stand above the crowd in the computer store. Alright, let's see. Oh, golly. There's a whole disc box. Oh, maybe. Remember that list I found? This, I think, refers to the list. So there's, anyway, a whole bunch of discs to be investigated, explored, and gone through. Oh, yes. Many. Oh, sit there. Indeed. Oh, dear. More discs to be gone through and explored. And what is this? Oh, it's a disc case for 3.5-inch discs, which of course this probably has something more to do with another machine. Print something or other. Indeed. Things have a way in the computer world of getting mixed in. Don't fall. Epic California games. Oh yeah. More things, Donald Duck. More discs. Oh, Epic's winter games. More discs. Oh my. Ah! That didn't go well. Excuse me. I was trying to, with great care, pull this case out. Zach McCracken and the Alien Mindbenders. Zach McCracken. Anyway, I went to very carefully, with tremendous care, pull this thing out, and a bunch of discs fell out. Not many. Argy. Snoopy. Alright, I will have to, I'm going to put these in. I'm going to have to look at the list that I found. Alright, what else do we have here? We have classic concentration for Commodore. Instructions. Just a little brochure. And Winter Games instruction manual. Which is handy because there were certain things you had to do just to make things work just right and get things as good as they could be when you were playing the game. Here we have a dust cover, and it does not really look like one that would go on anything Commodore related. It looks more like a bigger keyboard thing. As we know, computer stuff gets mixed in. Okay, let's see what else do we have here. We have some sort of plastic something that I'm sure goes with something. What? I am not sure. Now here, undoubtedly, is this, I suspect, is a printer cable. Well, I know it's a printer cable. It would be for an IBM or possibly an Amiga 2000, not an Amiga 1000. You'll ruin your printer, you'll ruin your printer, you'll ruin your printer. And, yeah, who makes this? I can't read it. Anyway, looks rather substantial, looks rather impressive. And of course, oh, look at that. Oh, okay. Here are some little things that would probably go in this thing. I would bet they maybe do. If I can figure out how to open it again. There we go. What do we have here? A bag. Why am I thinking I'm going to drop things? I'm going to throw the bag in there. There's one disc in here. Do these things look like they go in here? Well, I mean, they kind of fit, but I'm not sure. Oh, I'm pushing with tremendous force towards the middle. Oh, okay. Hang on. Maybe tremendous force is not what is required. There's a little channel here. And maybe these stick in and slide in before falling down. Oh, man. I'm sure there's some real... Oh, God. Well, I'll just leave them inside here. Brilliant bunch of engineering. Now, in the bottom of this box is not surprising, and I don't think I can get it out right now, a Sakosha SP1200 AI printer. As I suspected, it might be there. Anyway, I'm not going to get it out now. It takes a lot of space and tinkering, and probably it works. It's badly yellowed. This, I suspect, maybe goes with it. It's funny, this, not badly yellowed. I suspect this is the thing that goes out the back, or sits, or anyway, does something. It may be not at all. It may be for something completely different. I just don't know. Anyway, lots of discs to go through, lots of things to explore, but I can't do it at this moment in time. But I will make sure I keep that list of things that were on here. Put this back carefully. Now, oh yes, that. I think I put everything back in that I need to. I think I will also condense these boxes into some of the boxes that I use in here. And I should test out the printer, but I'm not going to right now. But you know what I think? I'm going to put a stop to this at this second, and I'm going to get set up so that we can see if Hubert is working. So thanks for coming. Always a pleasure. Stay tuned for more. From the box room, David Bradley, signing off. Bye for now.